Hello dear students, myself Vikram Mistry. In this video, I will teach you Engineering Graphics and Design subject MCQ of chapter number 1 Introduction to Engineering Graphics. First MCQ, what is the size of drawing sheet of designation A3 in mm? Options are 420 by 297, 841 by 594, C 1189 by 841, option D 297 by 210. Let's see different size of drawing sheet. So here the 5 different sheets are given A0 to A4. Now A3 designation, that is sheet is 420 by 297. So our answer is C 420 by 297. Next MCQ. Which of the following grades of lead is the hardest? Options are 6B, second 5H, C 4B, D 6H. So different grade is given according to that hardness. So here you can see different hardness of the pencil grade is given. So as the value of H will be increased, that is 9H, 6H, then it becomes extra hard. If the value decrease, it becomes soft. And after F, there is a designation B should become that grade are very soft. Okay. So H means hardest and higher value here is 6H. So in this MCQ, the answer is D 6H. Next MCQ. The angle which we can't make using single set square is 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree. So let's see two set square, that is 45 and 30 60. So in that you can see you can make 30 degree also, 45 degree also, and 60 degree also, and also you can make 90 degree. But the 75 degree we cannot make by using the sets. So answer is D. Next MCQ. Continuous thick line used to represent. Options are option A outline of the object, B construction line of the object, C hidden part of the object, D none of the above mentioned. So here two line is given and their application is given. So we can see here the thick line is used as a to draw outline of the object. So option A is correct, outline of an object. Next MCQ, MCQ number 5. The dashed or dotted or hidden line used to represent. Options are A the construction line of object, B the hidden part of object, C outline of an object, D none of above. So dashed or dotted line, it is used to draw hidden part of the object. Okay? So option B is correct, the hidden part of the object. Next MCQ. Drawing pencils are graded according to increase in relative. First one diameter, B sharpness, C length, D hardness. So pencil, how it is graded, by diameter, sharpness, length or hardness? So it is not graded by diameter, sharpness or length, it is always graded by using hardness. Okay? So answer D is correct, hardness. Next MCQ. The axis of cylinder or sphere is denoted by which of the following line? Options are A section line, B center line, C hidden line, D leader line. Let's see figure. So cylinder is there. We have to denote that axis. If you see from front view or side view, that axis are always denoted by center line. Okay. It may be a hollow cylinder or solid cylinder. The axis is denoted by your center line. So option B is correct, center line. Next MCQ. Which are the systems of placing dimensions? First one align system, second break system, third the unidirectional system, fourth is directional system. Options are first and second, B first and third, C first and fourth, D all of over, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for placing the dimension, two methods are there, that is first one align system and third one the unidirectional system. So option B is correct, first and third system. Next MCQ number 9. In unidirectional system, the dimensions are options A is placed above the dimension line, B placed below the dimension line, C placed by breaking dimension line in middle, place left side of the dimension line. Let's see figure. So here you can see in unidirectional system, this is our unidirectional system. So here we are putting dimension by breaking that line and at the center. So place by breaking the dimension line in the middle. So option C is correct. Last MCQ. In which system of dimensioning figure can read from bottom as well as right hand side of drawing? Align system, B unidirectional system, C non-aligned multidirectional system, D parallel system. So let's see. Here aligned system is shown. So here you can see the dimension are put it, that is shown by bottom also, and right hand side that dimension figure you can see easily. So from the bottom as well as right hand side we can see in aligned system. So option A is correct. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.